Traditional manual welding and dedicated machine welding have problems in the production process such as high labor intensity and harsh working environment. And it is also difficult to guarantee the welding quality, as the automotive industry demands more in terms of body materials, production capacity, flexible models, production reliability, and pace. Traditional welding methods can no longer meet market demands. To solve these problems, most car manufacturers currently adopt flexible automated welding production lines based on various welding robots. In the production environment of the welding workshop, the use of barcodes for body information collection has the problem of being easily damaged and polluted. Therefore, RFID technology is generally used for body recognition and automatic tracking. RFID technology has the characteristics of non-contact, high efficiency, and high reliability, which can effectively solve the shortcomings of barcodes in harsh environments. RFID carriers are typically mounted on a sled that can move along the welding production line in the welding workshop. During operation, the RFID reader is usually fixed on the welding production line. When the RFID carrier on the sled moves close to the car body, the RFID writer can collect real-time data information on various operating information, fault information, car body welding point information, and operator information of the production line and equipment, and transmit this information to the upper-level systems such as central servers or cloud platforms for processing and analysis. In addition, the RFID car body identification system in the welding workshop can automatically switch welding programs and parameters based on the identified vehicle model information, thereby improving production efficiency. At the same time, the robots on the welding production line also have the ability to automatically recognize vehicle models, select parts for the corresponding vehicle model according to the production plan, and stop working and sound an alarm when parts errors or shortages are detected. Additionally, RFID can monitor the quality of the welding process, collect and upload real-time welding process information for each workpiece to the database system. Finally, the writer deployed on the workstation can read the RFID information bound to the car body, achieving management and monitoring of workpiece group welding and repair welding process. The application of the RFID car body identification system on the welding production line can achieve rapid, accurate, virus identification and tracking of car bodies, thereby helping the welding workshop better manage production progress and quality. In addition, through integration with other production management systems such as MES manufacturing execution system, it is possible to achieve more efficient production processes and more accurate data analysis and decision making.